Hey, Brian from Garage Hall. Today we are working on a 2018 Toyota Tundra, and we're replacing the light bulbs, the headlights again. I don't know if you've seen any of my other videos, but this is like the second time, actually no, one, two, this is the third time I'm replacing headlight bulbs on this Toyota Tundra. I don't know if there was a problem with the regular standard OEM bulbs or what's going on, but they are not lasting. So thank you to Oxito. I'm going to be replacing these bulbs again with LEDs, and hopefully we are not going to run into any more trouble with the lights burning out. And on top of that, these are a lot brighter. If you've seen a couple of my other videos, you can see how bright they are. It's actually, it's dramatic. It's actually dramatic. I can't believe how much of a difference and how much more light you get from these LED light bulbs. But thank you, Oxito, for actually making these things. Thank goodness. So anyway, if you've watched the last couple of videos, you have to take the front part of your Toyota Tundra completely off. It's ridiculous. But just watch along, see what I do. I feel like I can do this blindfolded. I've done it so many times. But you're looking for these little body tabs first and foremost. So you want to like pop them out. I don't think we had too many in here. I think they kind of got lost over the time of this vehicle. And then you are looking for a 10mm socket, and you'll be able to take apart the rest of the vehicle with that. This is a little greasy. Let me clean this up real fast. Okay. All right, so let's get this front bumper cover basically uninstalled. Alright, so there's going to be your one screw. There's one down here. Okay, so basically, one here. I think that's basically it. So what we are going to be doing, oh, I always forget this part. We got to take this little front bumper cover off, and that is, you got two 10mm on the side here. Let's take the extension off. Okay, so I'll put those over here. Then this little piece comes out pretty easy. All right, we'll do this in stages. So just give us a firm pull forward. Grab on this side, and then that'll snap out. And then, like I said, on me, we're gonna have to flip this forward a little bit because I have these little flashers, safety flashers that are installed, and they don't give me too much room to work with. We are going to use a small bungee. And we're going to keep that bungee like that, so that kind of stays up and out of our way for the most part. There's a couple things we have to get to. One is another little body piece here that pops out, so you get that body peg, and then one here, and then, like I said, this body panel snaps off. Sounds like it's going to break, but it doesn't. It's got clips, so when we put that back in, we'll actually snap it back into place. Now it's got two tabs up here that we have to remove. And it's got one here on the side to get to the headlight. So let's get this one out first. Right, so that one's loose. And we'll put the extension back on. Alright, that one. And we got that side off. Then these tabs, you got to push them up because they're kind of locked into place here. Then that one came up on its own. And then your headlight is basically free to come out. And if you look, that's your front. So your headlight bulb is in here. So you got this little rubber cover that you pull off. And then you got your wire that comes out pretty easy. And then you just kind of pop that, and then that will kind of release itself. It's in there a little tight because the heat expands around it. And then you have a little tab here, and see how that comes up like so. And then you pull your bulb out. Now, yeah, that's blown. It's ridiculous. I'm actually going to return those. And here is your Auxito box. Nice little product manual and instructions. Very nice. And then you have your new LED high and low beam. Thank goodness for these things. These things work freaking awesome. And then we're going to put them in here. And they kind of line themselves up. So you got to kind of spin it. Okay, so that's going to be how it's going to attach. And just look at how your plug is. And then basically, you just put this down. Put your tab in. And then we're going to put your Weller seal, your protector in there. And then we're going to push that all into place. So it makes a good seal. And then we're going to basically plug it back in. Okay. I'll just make sure that sits nice and down. Okay. And that's it. That's all there is to it on this side. So we're going to slowly put this back in. Slide it underneath that little piece. And it snaps in there. Actually, let's get this tab up here. And see how that both kind of slide in. And then, boom, that's there. And then you got your nice little screw fitting there. And let's put everything back together. Good. We've got the two 10 millimeters up here. Okay, that's in. Okay, so that's in place. Everything looks good there. That looks good. That looks nice and actually, there we go. I missed that tab. So make sure it slides in there. Oh, this one's a little broken, I see. So that one's kind of fixed. Okay, so let's go over to this side. And we're going to disconnect that one. Disconnect that one. And we got these little body pegs we got to get to. this one out. Okay. I'll get this one here. Okay. And then this comes apart. Sometimes these need a little persuasion to get these up. And, okay. So here we got this headlight out and removed. Super gentle. All right. Plug this. And that peels out. And that comes out. And the bulb comes out nice and easy. Then your new super LED. And then you just put that little hinge back in, clip it. Put your little protective willer shield back in. Okay. It's almost like a vacuum seal. You'll feel it kind of click into place. Okay. We'll get these tabs lined back up on this. Like I said, be very careful. They're very easy to break. So get them lined up. Okay, that's good. And we'll get these screwed down. So that's in. Okay, now put everything back together. It's kind of like reverse order. So you have this body piece. It goes in, and you got those two screws. So it's clipped in. Then you got those two body pegs. They're right here. Clip that in. And you clip this one in. And then that piece is in. Your headlight's nice and secure. Then we go back to this side. Same thing. Line that up. Quick, good little whack. And then we got these little screw holes to line up. Yeah, let me give you a better angle. Give me a better starting position. Sounds good. Getting grease all over the place. Okay. Now let's look at this front cover we just put back down. It's kind of reverse of what we did. And you got to kind of be gentle. Like I said, you can probably remove yours completely. I have some auxiliary wires that I have in place. And you just go to kind of loosely line everything up, and you'll feel the bottom tabs kind of line up as well. I forgot? I forgot to put these little things back to place. Okay, that's that one. There's one down here. Okay, now we should line up better. Okay, now on this side, make sure that we're lined up good. Okay. All right, so we're all lined up there. Put this body piece back in. Then we have all these screws to do with a little bit of an extension that I'll need back on this side. There. Okay, so that is your Toyota Tundra headlight bulb replacement with the Auxito LED headlight bulbs. And once again, thank you, Auxito, for making such a great product. All right, Brian from Garage Mahal, thanks for watching. Be safe out there.